Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are creating beautiful Christmas decorations using simple knotted jute. These DIY are easy, budget friendly and perfect for adding a warm rustic theme to your home. And while a craft I will share short heartwarming story, a remind that sometimes the simplest thing create the biggest memory. So grab your material and let's begin. The story is a little girl named Alina who loved making Christmas decoration with her neighbor and grandmother. Every year they would sit by the window with hot cocoa and box full of ribbons, jute and bells. Her grandmother always said the light in a home does not come from decoration, it's come from the love inside. Our first project is simple and elegant jute Christmas stars, jute rope, cardboard, star base, glue, small base or buttons. Cut the star shape from cardboard. Start wrapping the jute rope from one point of the star. Use glue to secure the rope as you wrap. Add a base to the center of decoration and your natural jute star is ready. When Anna made her first star, the rope kept slipping and the glue stuck to her fingers. Her grandmother just laughed softly and said, "Mistakes are the cutest part of handmade crafting." And suddenly everything felt easier. Next, we make it jute Christmas tree ornaments, adorable for hanging on the main tree. Material you need: jute twins, small cardboard, cone, glue, and ribbon for teeny bell. Roll cardboard into a small cone. Begin wrapping the jute twin from the bottom upward. Make sure the twin is tight and smooth. Add a ribbon or bell on top. While making the with her grandmother and asked why does it take so long. Her grandmother replied, "Life is like the twins. You wrap it slowly, patience, and one day everything look perfect." A lesson and I'll never forget. Our third project is warm cozy jute candle holder, a glass jar, jute fiber or rope, lace ribbon, glue. Clean your glass jar well. Wrap a strip of jute fabric around the needle. Add lace on the top or bottom edges. Piece a candle inside and there you go. And I remember the night they the middle their first candle holder there was a power up outage, so her grandmother lifted the candle and said, "Light does not have to be bright, even a small one can make a home glow." Year passed. Anna grew up. Her grandmother was no longer there, but one Christmas when Anna opened her old decoration box, she found a small jute star her grandmother had made, and on the back there was a teeny home written note: "Create with love and everything become beautiful." That message is heart of today's DIY. If you enjoy these cute Christmas decoration ideas, the story behind them, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like, so please must share it with your friends and family and post your valuable comments, your thoughts, your suggestions. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my channel. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. You can easily apply these crafting and ideas and design, easily apply, affordable, budget friendly, and make your home cozy, warm, and wonderland. Stay with your family, take care of your family, remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are creating beautiful Christmas decorations using simple knotted jute. These DIY are easy, budget friendly, and perfect for adding a warm rustic theme to your home.